Alright, I got this Toyota pickup truck here, 91 4x4. I was trying to figure out what's going on with this, with the noise she's got when she's going in 4x4 mode with this thing. So here's a CV shaft right there, as you can see it. And if I grab it and try to move it, I'll try to do this in just a second. It seems to have a fair amount of play in there, and it doesn't quite look normal at all. So let me try to wiggle this thing for you. I hope you can still see it there. So if I move it, there's actually play sideways. There's play up and down, as well as left and right. Basically, it makes quite a lot of noise.